The topic of today's video is how to buy crypto on Transak. So here we are on the Transak website. And what we want to do is go to buy and sell crypto on the top right. So depending on what you want to buy, you'll click on the specific option. And here we are on the buy window. Now, first thing that we want to do is set our correct currency. So you can choose from this menu here. And obviously your amount that you want to pay or buy. Then you want to set your payment method. And here are your options on the top here. And then you want to come down to the bottom here and you can set what crypto you want to purchase. And then it'll calculate how much crypto you'll get for the amount of money you want to spend. So when you are done here, all you need to do is click on buy now. And over here, you want to paste your wallet address. So for us, we'll go to Phantom Wallet and we'll just grab our Solana wallet address in here and we'll paste it in here. And then you just want to click on buy at the bottom here. And here we're going to enter our email address. So I'm not going to enter my email address because I'm not going to purchase crypto, but they will send you an email with a verification code and you will put your verification code into Transak over here on the next screen. Then they are going to run you through some KYC requirements. So they're going to ask you for a couple of things, such as they want to do a face scan, they want your name, your last name, all the typical KYC things you do when registering with any exchange. And once you are done there, they will ask you for your card details. If your card is not supported, just try Apple Pay or Google Pay. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.